we're drinking, thanks to Tyrone. He gave us what he's calling...
it's a Caribbean coconut dream.
Yes, and don't worry, Enrico is not drunk. He's sounding a little slow, but he's not drunk because as we are dreaming, don't go to sleep just yet.
No, yes.
Because Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt is in the building and she is preparing desserts after dark.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, I was placed with the challenge, folks, of doing something quick after dark. If you have nothing sweet at home and you want to sit down and watch Copper Joe after dark, I came up with something that I think we all have in our home. Sliced bread.
No, we're not talking breakfast yet, Chef?
Yeah.
No, of course not,
Right.
of course not.
Okay.
Peanut butter.
Of course.
Chocolate. You must have a little chocolate chip hidden somewhere. A little icing and sugar. So what I did, I cut the ends off, and this is not going to take any length of time.
So if you're sleepy, you can do it quick before you go quick snack.
Or you
quick
could be
dessert.
sleepy and you have to watch Copper Joe after that.
Sorry, Chef.
So you have about 10 minutes before Copper Joe starts.
Right.
And you say, oh shucks, I don't have anything to eat.
Yes.
Yes.
You need a snack.
You need a snack. Because it's sexy after dark. Right? Got a rolling pin. Roll it flat.
Enrico, you ever roll your bread?
Never.
You never roll your bread.
There's a first time for everything, you know.
That I understand.
First time for everything. First time for everything. I just cut the little pieces out because we want it to be a little squared.
Yes.
And I put some peanut butter on one half. I have oil here because we're going to fry it.
Wow. Sure, sir, you seeing this?
We sure sis.
My daughter.
Your daughter.
Yes.
And we put some melted chocolate.
She loves doing these things.
Yeah.
She's going to make this for me.
So this is a recipe you can try on our food website, trinicooks.com.
I did whip a little egg just so that it will seal properly.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Because we don't want anything spilling out when we're frying it. And I took a fork and I pressed it down. Just to seal it. Make sure your oil is hot. And there we go. Now, Joel, because you have a drink in your hand.
Wow, that is pretty interesting.
Yep.
This turns quickly, Chef?
Yes.
Ooh, this
See?
fries quickly.
Pull them out.
Pull them out. Wow. So wow. Wow. Wow.
Look at that, Joe.
Wow.
Pull them out.
Wow.
Right. That is.
Wow.
Now
That
we'll
was
take
more
it even a little further.
Because you are not satisfied with that.
Never. Can we don't do mediocre, do we? So we take a little icing and sugar.
Okay.
And you can dust it on some. But this one with the drizzle of the chocolate is for a special somebody who loves chocolate.
No, they here.
They hear.
It past their bedtime, you know. Past their bedtime.
Not for chocolate.
Past their bedtime.
Right? And we just...
What are we calling this?
Chocolate stuffed delight.
While Enrico is getting his chocolate stuffed delights going on, guys, we're taking a short break. We're rocking out with the Music Mansion tonight. This is Copper Joe After Dark. Come on back. The fun, the food, not finished just yet. Don't go to sleep. Stay with us.